editing a purchase order in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to change quantities, add or remove line items, and save. Plus, when an edit sends the order back through approval. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Purchasing, Purchase Orders from your dashboard. Sometimes you need to change a purchase order after you've created it. Maybe a quantity's wrong, or the vendor asked you to add something. From your purchase orders list, click into the order and click Edit. You'll see the same form you used to create it, now filled in with the current details. To change a quantity, click into that line items field and update the number. To add a new item, click Add Line Item just like before. To remove one, click the Remove icon next to that line. You can also update the expected delivery date or the notes field if anything's changed. As you edit, the total at the bottom updates automatically so you can see the impact right away. When you're satisfied, click Save. Heads up, if the purchase order was already approved, saving changes may send it back through approval again, so make sure your edits are final. And you can only edit purchase orders that haven't been received yet.